Good evening, everyone. It has been a long while since I have connected and made a video. Well, today's video is about styling. First, we have to understand what is styling, and nowadays, whenever I interact with students, they tell me that they want to be a stylist. What is a stylist? So, coming back to styling, well, styling is a personal thing as per my point of view. It means that somebody, how it is a personal expression. It is about a person, how they want to carry themselves, and how what is in their heads is a picture which is very clear, and they feel that they are going to present themselves in the same manner. Whereas a role of a stylist is to make the customer very apt and bring out the best personality possible. That does not mean that if he or she is not comfortable in that attire or in that look, we can force it because we are stylist. No, definitely not. See, when let me give you two examples of it. If supposedly you are a big designer and you want to kind of showcase or you're making a catalog for your new collection which is going to be launched in a new fashion show, and there is a model and you're asking her to wear a certain attire and pose in a certain way, definitely she is going to do that because by profession she is a model and that's her role. She cannot say no, whereas she would wear, if the size is not up, definitely she can say no. But otherwise, she cannot say no because that is her profession. That's the first point. The second point is, if you are a designer and you have a customer who's short and stout and dark complexioned, and she has an image of herself in a particular attire which you think would be which you have made after a lot of discussion and after a lot of interaction with her, selecting the color, the fabric, the fall, the silhouette, the frills, the trims, everything, and the garment is ready. So now it is your turn to tell her whether her hair would look nice in a bun or would look nice with a side parting, long earrings, small earrings, big necklace, small necklace, rings, nail paint, bag, belt, shoes, all that. That when you add or suggest to a customer, and if she feels she's looking wow, that means you have done a good role being a stylist. But if she feels no, I'm not looking too great, that means you couldn't understand her style. So it is very, very important to see. As a student, we might have studied the pear shape, the apple shape, and the body shapes. But not every shape is just like that only. There are other flaws, there can be other traditional boundings. So kindly follow, understand what has to be projected and what not has to be projected. But a a simple thing is that when you are doing a catalog for yourself as a designer, try and take cleaner backgrounds, take contrast colors. The foreground, which is your model, your garment, should look brighter and nicer rather than your background, and vice versa. And if you're a designer who is doing a garment or a stylist who is doing a garment for a client, I would suggest kindly please understand the light when she is going to walk in the environment, what type of light is going to be, what time of the day it is going to be, what is her structure, what are her preference. Make a list of it, do a thorough study, and then kindly conclude. It is very, very easy. But adding to this, I would want to say, don't just be a stylist because you feel that you can style yourself very well. If you are a stylist and you're going for an interview, your attire, your presentation, your confidence, your accessory, everything in collective, in a bigger picture, should look very very impressive. Then only you can be a stylist. It's easy. People feel glamour. Oh, I'm going to interact with a lot of models, so I want to be a stylist. But trust me, if you are a fashion student and you are doing a degree course, which is a 4-year course, I'm sure by the end of it you'll become a stylist yourself. So wish you all the best. If you have any questions related to styling or anything in reference to fashion design, you are welcome to ask. I look forward to seeing you, and I promise you I'm going to make videos. You're going to see my videos very very soon, and with smaller gaps. Thank you so much, and I look forward for your comments. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe and share it with people who are wanting to take fashion design as career. I look forward to your questions. Thank you.